Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video we will be making a mixer or a stirring machine. So let us begin. For the mixing part I'm taking a spoon and we have to make some cuts over it. So first we will mark it. The width of the blade can be up to 3 to 4 mm. We will be screwing this part to the DC motor. The next step is to make blade projections. Use a cutting plier to make it. The next step is to make a handle for the mixer. And here I am using a T-shaped PVC pipe. You can use any kind of available materials. The motor that I have used is a 300 RPM motor. Secure the motor inside the pipe and fix the spoon over the motor shaft. Use a nylon tag to secure it. Use a AC-DC adapter to power the motor. Here I am using a 9-volt adapter. Apply some hot glue to secure the motor. And cover the open parts of the T-shaped PVC pipe. So guys, our mixer is ready to use. If you like the video, please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.